Hi, I'm John Walsh here, live on the scene in Belmar, New Jersey, where an emergency has been declared. As you can see, conditions are severe behind me, and we can now officially confirm that Djais is not open. That's right, the bar is dark, the music is silent, and the grails go untouched. Meteorologists are calling for 6 inches overnight, and reactions are mixed, where some say that's a lot, and others say it depends on who you ask. However, with that being said,
this is DJ's breaking news.
Oh yes, we have breaking news. I can now confirm live on the air that Djais will be open next Sunday, March 1st for Parade Day. That's right, folks, we're going from white to green. This is not a drill. At this time, no line has formed, which experts believe could change as parade crowds accumulate. For now, patrons are urged to stay safe, stay warm, and to mentally prepare as this story is developing. I'm John Walsh with Djais News Network. We'll see you March 1st.